Good morning, students. Today we discuss about one problem, that is diabetes. The next is today we'll discuss about one another problem. Is a very common these days among the people, that is obesity. It is not only in the old person, students also, the small children also suffering from this disease. It's a very common these days and making a man inactive and lot of suffering from lot of diseases. So first of all, we should know what is obesity. Excessive fat accumulation in our body, that is obesity. In medical term, we should not take exceed our body weight more than 20% according to the BMI given by the WHO. It should not exceed. Then we are calling a fatty person. So we have to be balanced. Then what is the cause of obesity? We should know what is the cause. It is the imbalance of calories, energy, between calories burned and calories consumed. These days, many people not doing physical exercise, no physical work. That's why they are consuming and burning less, consuming more, burning less. So that's why the excess fat accumulated in the body. Taking oily food, junk food, excessive fatty foods, this is the main reason to gain heavy weight, obesity. Many risk factors if we are gaining the maximum weight, that is heart disease, mainly cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, immediately fracture in the body, high BP, etc. is the main risk factors to obesity. To cure from obesity, today we'll take one exercise, a very important exercise, very effective exercise, that is Hatotsatasana. Hatotsatasana. It means Hato means arms, our arms. Tasana means stretch up your body. Asana means posture, our posture. So we'll do that. So that's why this posture is called, this exercise is called Hatot Asana. So some benefits of this exercise are, if you are practicing regularly, there will be some benefits. That is, it relaxes whole body parts. Our whole body parts will be relaxed. Relief from the tension. Relieve muscle pain in neck, shoulder, arms, all where, this area, upper part. Then increase height of the children. It's a very good exercise for increasing height up to age of 18. We have to do exercise compulsory. The students should do this exercise up to 18. And then flexibility of a spinal cord. Our spinal cord will be the flexible, so we could bend for any work immediately without any tension in the body, without any jerk, and our side anywhere. It's a very common in the physical work. Then precautions we have to take while doing this exercise. It's a very compulsory, very important. We have to take precautions, otherwise we'll get injury, maybe it's bad effect in our body. So bend from waist only. While bending in this exercise, from the waist level only. and don't give jerk. Slowly bend. Upper part only, and remaining the legs should be remain in the same position. No movement. Then stretch the arm as much as possible above the head and remain there. Don't bend forward while moving sideward, going sideward. So don't lunge forward. So body should be erect and directly left and right. Don't lean forward and backward. So these things should be, keep it in mind while doing this exercise. Some contraindications we should avoid in that condition. That is hernia. Suppose you are suffering from hernia, abdominal inflammation, you have to stop this exercise. We should not take. Now we will move practically. I will show you how to do and you will practice. It is your task to practice at home every day. First, we have to stand properly. Join the both legs little bit away, feet apart with the shoulder level. Hands sideward. Stand relaxed and straight. Body should be straight. Then slowly bring your arms sideward and go up. Slowly up, 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 and then cross the fingers together and palm facing outward, and should be stretch, and the elbows should be touched with your head. And then after, we have to move to our right side. From there, don't lean forward, go sideward, only upper part. The lower should be remain. 5 to 10 seconds, you hold the position and then slowly come back. While coming back, inhale and going down the another side. Now up to here, remain in the position, and then to your left. Slowly left, 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 and exhale out the air, breathing, and remain, hold it, then slowly come back to the position, final, and then again next to right, 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 as much as possible, then up, remain, then left, then come back and right. Like that you have to continue for 10 to 12 times every day. Slowly come back and then relax your body. Thank you.